Just finishing off this the shower, and then I can then lay the floor and it'll be all over Red Rover. Slap a bit of, I like to use what's this, silicone. I might pop in a little bit more than that. Polyurethane. Polyurethane is the name. It's not silicone, it's polyurethane. Chryso, don't forget it. Like that. You pop it on a flat surface like that and press down, guys. Then you don't have to run around because you know it's flush. And then you just pop the sucker in like that, and there it is. Okay, we'll see you soon. So that's the shower. That's the shitty part done. It all feels nice. Nice to the touch. That's it. Give it a quick wipe off. Right, that's the hardest part of the bathroom. When you've got that, the rest is easy peasy. Let's move on. See you soon. Yo, it's Chris O. Time to vamoose. I've done this floor. Far out, it's been a bit of a struggle in 34 degrees and 85% humidity. I've had a fan on, but it's too bloody noisy. It's a pain. Anyway, back on Monday, I'll zap the walls. I might just have to put up with the noisy fan because I've got a lot to do. But yeah, it's all falling nicely. Lovely little bathroom, it will, or ensuite. Okay, see ya.